Okay, I've got this piece of angle iron welded under this. Now this is in the correct position. It's at the correct height. I made this long piece of wood to go from one end to the other. This right here is the center line of the whole thing. And I put that piece of wood on the center line. Now this is going to go like this, something like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a bit of an angle in here to match the trailer out there, and this slot is going to be about 1/2 inch wide. These are 6-inch Black Hawk cutting discs. Hey, this slot's going to have to be a whole lot wider. Well, that came off, and it was only tack welded on there. I'm gonna have to trim off a little bit right here.